Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I am going to teach you how to install Laravel 9 in Windows. So let's start. First of all, open Google Chrome and search Get Composer. Our first step is to install Composer into Windows. Here you can see there are multiple links. Copy these links one by one and paste it into command line like this. After installing Composer, search for Laravel in Google. Click on this link. This is the official website of Laravel. Click on Documentation. Here you can see multiple versions of Laravel. You can install any version according to your requirement. I am going to install Laravel 9. So I am going to click on this link, Installation via Composer. Here you can see commands to install Laravel. I am going to copy this command and paste it into the htdocs folder. I am opening htdocs folder in command line. Just enter cmd in address bar and it will open in command line. Here I am going to paste my command and rename my project with Laravel 9 version. You can see installation has been started. Finally, the installation has been done. Now open Xampp folder and you can see the Laravel 9 version has been installed. Now I am opening it in command line. Before starting, open Xampp control panel and start both modules Apache and Mysql. Now write this command into command line php artisan serve. Our project has been started. Copy this link and paste it into browser. See our Laravel 9 is working. Just keep in mind that we need PHP 8 version to run Laravel 9. Thanks for watching this video. Click like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos.